What's up everybody? My name is Bryan and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. It's hip hop. Alright? The title of the song is called Just a Little Bit by 50 Cent. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, we're gonna close feet together. We're gonna do it quick, then we're gonna slow it down later, okay? So from here, jump 1, 2, and 3, grab 4, up 5, change 6, then you're gonna go isolation 7, 8. Alright? Now we do it slowly. So for here, 6, 7, jump, 1 and 2, cross, and 3, grab 4, up on 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, you can hold your cup because I have a cup. 8. Okay? Then you just simply, next. So from 7, 8, you just simply cross this one. Make sure you're still facing to your right. 6, 7, cross. 1, 2, 3. Alright? On the 3 count. 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3. Won't change that one. 6, 7, 8. Go right, left, tap, tap. Copy? Then from here you're gonna go punch, prepare, and punch. Okay? Then up. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3. Up. 3 and 4. This is 5. 5. Then simple punch on 6 and 7. Copy, and then 8. Like 8. Like 8. Okay, let's do it slowly. Let's clarify the countings. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7. Punch again. 8. I forgot that. You're gonna punch again, then lift. You're gonna lift yourself up. 8. Okay? One more time. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and cross. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Let's try from the beginning. First and second. Alright? 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next. So after this, you're gonna turn on 1, open on 2. Grab your shirts. If you don't have, just pretend you're holding something. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Drop on 5 and 6, including your head. And 6. Just simply step to your right and front. Alright? Let's try one more time. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Shoulder, shoulder. Good job. Let's try first, second, and third. Super slow. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Good job. All right, guys. Next, from here, just change everything. 6. So from here, 6, 7, 8. Simply overhead. 1, hit to the front, to the ceiling. 2, hold. Then 3 and 4. Okay. Then you're gonna go and 5 and 6 and 7. 10, 8. For the 7, 8, you're gonna need to slide. Slide back then lift your right knee. Okay, is that clear? Let's try from here. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. All right, for the last time, so you're gonna go 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. So you see in the right, bend, 8. Good job. Let's start from the beginning. All of it. As we slow and precise. Clean. All right. 5, 6, 7, and jump. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 2, and 3, and 4, 5. Punch. Set. Bend. 8. Turn around. 2, and a 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. All right, let's continue. I take off my shirts. So hot. So 5, 6 from here, and 6, 7. What's the last part? 6, 6, 7, and 8. Right. So from here, you just do ad-lib 4 counts. Just step, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your position. Right to the front, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can do anything from here. You can do like 1 and 2. Just make sure you're gonna hit like this. 1, 2, then 3, 4. Like 3, 4. You can do anything on your hand. All right, it's freestyle. 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here you're gonna steering wheel 5, close on 6, back on 7, 8. Copy that? One more time. 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna raise your knee on 8 only. All right. Let's try from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Steering wheel. 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's start from the beginning. Are you ready? All right. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7. Jump and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Up. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. Punch 4. Up. 6, 7, 8. 1. Stop and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Shoulder. 7, 8. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ad-lib, 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 ad steering wheel. 6, 7. Ho! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And don't forget to share, like, comment. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye!